I work out one.
Okay, so I have posted on Teams this chart for you. Some of you have been struggling with the other chart that came from the textbook. So this chart really breaks it down a little differently. It says, okay, identify the degree. So now you're at even or odd. So if it's an even degree, then you identify the leading coefficient. If it's positive or negative. If it's an even positive, then the graph ends in the upward direction on both sides. Therefore, this is its end behavior.
That makes sense.
If it's an odd degree and positive, it will always start low and end high. Therefore, this is always its end behavior. Like, this chart is true of all functions. The functions can only fall into one of these four categories. So these are the only four end possibilities, and you start with this. Does that make sense? So this is posted on Teams. I did not put it on your paper for you. You're just going to have to use the picture on Teams.
Is there a way that I can go into the paper though?
Yes. Or you could just save it and like hit print if you went to like the library or whatever. All right. So determine the end behavior for the following function. So what you would do is look at this function. What is the highest powered degree? 7. So then this is a degree 7. Is 7 even or odd? Odd. Oh, I'm not sure I can do this. I might have to go right on the board. What is the sign, or what is the leading coefficient? And then we'll go to its sign. What is, so the leading coefficient is 4 positive or negative?
Positive.
So it is an odd positive. Oops, too far. So an odd positive starts at negative infinity and ends at
Positive.
okay, so filling in the end behavior as x goes to negative infinity, so that's where the graph starts. This starts at, as x gets really, really big, the y values are also getting,
Big.
so starts low, ends high.
How do you draw them
So,
They
why
like,
won't,
mine look dumb, like,
why won't x be positive infinity and y be negative infinity?
If it was an odd negative, so like let's say instead of that function, it
We
was
have that on the next problem.
negative 4x to the 7th. That one would be x is positive infinity, f of x is negative infinity.
What would that graph look like? Oh.
You know, I was hoping they gave up. Hello? Yes. All right, sounds good. Bye. Okay. Next. So you have, but see, this one's different from the last one because you have a exponent of 6. So my degree is 6, which makes it,
even,
yes.
and to
The leading coefficient is
negative 7.
-7. It is negative.
They would both be negative.
Yep. Thank you. That was a great exit.
It's like every second.
So as x goes to positive, and negative infinity, both of the y's are going to negative infinity because the graph is open down.
To think that Aaliyah's Justin Bieber.
Stop. That's not leaving with anything right now. It pertains to math class. So, what I know from this is that this graph is going to end like this. And have how many max and mins in all?
1,
3, 2.
5.
Is there a copy of that table anywhere that you should?
It's on team.
Oh, really? Oh, no.
And you can go copy it in the library. Wait, was 5 right? 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Big dog stands.
Yes.
No. How do you know? How do you know what the degree is
Yeah, well, how do you
based
It's
on
1 less than the exponent.
exactly
Wait,
the
one?
number of max and mins is 1 less than the degree.
So, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have a theory. Right?
No, no,
So, okay.
That was really hard.
Can I come up real quick?
Okay.
This might be what we're actually talking about, but
I hope so.
so okay. So you said it's 1 less.
Yes.
This is definitely so it's like so this might be the main thing.
I'm ready.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, there are 5 max and mins.
You won't go down because you make 1 less.
Yes.
Woo! Wait, what?
She doesn't know.
So
The number of max and mins plus 1 is the degree.
wait. It's
The number of max and mins plus 1 is the degree.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The degree is 6. There are 5 max and mins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it's just 1, 2, yeah. You count the sentence. No, you don't. That's why I just
All right, how many max and mins are on this graph then, Chris? No.
2.
2. The degree is 3.
Oh, there are too many. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, one there. 3 slants. Yeah, I mean,
There are 2 arcs.
No, he's cutting the slants. Like the
I think-
ones.
Yes.
The points where they curve.
Yeah, they're
How?
like 3 slants.
Okay, so let's start with this, kids. Is the degree even
Even.
or odd?
Uneven.
It's odd.
Wait, no, it's
What
odd
is
because
odd?
it's 3.
Is 3 even or odd?
Odd. So it's odd, and then the degrees. I mean, the other thing's even because
No, it can't be both. It's just even or odd.
It's odd and it would be
It's just even
Oh,
or odd.
I thought,
So this is an odd degree
yeah,
because it ends in
3.
opposite directions. Like one goes up, one goes down. Odd, opposite. The degree is 1 more than the total number of max and mins. So there is 1 max, 1 min. So there are 2 total. Therefore, the degree is.
Or you can just count the slants.
So the degree.
That's more funny.
Wait, so we'll.
A degree 3 function is called a
Oh, 3, cubic.
cubic.
Damn. I'm getting advanced.
So will an even degree always end? will an even degree always end? Down?
Yes. Yeah, there it is. You weren't here yesterday, so I'm giving you that. All right.
Or what about up?
Okay.
Or up, I guess.
Or up.
Yeah, just like you said.
The leading coefficient of this one, is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, because it starts low and ends high.
So you can't find the actual number like that.
Correct. All you know is it is an odd degree. The odd degree that it is cubic. Therefore, we can tell the end behavior. As x is getting really, really big, where are my y values going?
Oh.
Therefore, infinity. As x is going and getting really, really small, where are my y values going?
Negative infinity.
Wham, and thank you.
Whoa, Black Betty.
All right. Van,
What?
even or odd?
Oh, that's even.
Yes.
Because it's both.
Leading coefficient.
Negative.
No. What's the leading coefficient?
Positive.
Why? They both go up.
Gotcha.
Oh, dear me. How many max or mins?
3, 2, 3.
3 max or mins. Therefore, the degree is
4. Because you 1 slant, 2 slant, 3 slant, 4 slant.
a degree 4 is called a so it is a positive, even, degree 4 quartic. How many zeros?
A couple.
Oh, 3. Or 2.
4.
Or 4.
4 real
Yeah.
4, 3.
Because it's how many times the
Just
test is.
throw it on my desk.
4 degrees.
I can see why that was so hard because I just had to remember everything from.
Well, yeah, you haven't been. That was like 2 weeks. Literally 2 weeks was the last time you left one blank.
It's the one where it's like put it in standard form and there's like and there's an I.
Did Carter take this test yet?
Yeah, but that was like the advanced test.
That's for the
If I
test
gave
that
Avery the test that Carter had to take, he'd probably get 100. No, actually, he would get a. Well,
They're still gonna get bound
why?
because if I get like above 80,
Yeah. The highest grade was like a 90 on the dot. What are you doing?
I just heard noises. What are you doing?
Chris.
I was drawing on
The y values are going where?
Up.
Yeah, so, but instead of up, what do we call that symbol? Positive infinity.
What if they go sideways?
Can I just draw 2 O's?
Just turn your paper and draw 2 8s.
Oh, thanks.
What's figuring out the
That's a good question.
I don't know.
How long is this